Hello guys, my mommy is mopping to the floor. She's so tired and it's night now. It's night. And my labubu, it's so cute. Let's go guys. Okay. It so hurts. Don't see my mommy's face. Wait lang guys. Wait, just wait.
Patong na kayo magbihis, habol na kayo na.
Why you not want to the English? You want to Tagalog?
I don't want to speak English.
Why?
Because English is hard.
It's not a hard English.
It's hard.
It's not.
Yuck! Yuck! Ay, may ano ka dito, oh.
Okay, just.
Ayun nga yung pala dito ng money. Ngayon, ayaw mo na yan. Di ba favorite mo yan? Diba?
Let's jump back. It's so boo-boo. Chick, book, chick, book, chick, book, chick, book, chick, book, chick, book, chick.
Ay, akin na. Halika dito. Halika dito na po. Nalagay na sa labahan.
I'm to the book. Wait, kiss. I just wee.
Kay ate yan! Hindi yan sa'yo. Kay ate yan. Tubig yan. Tubig. Yan ah.
I'm a dance. You can't see my face.
Ano? Kung masyadong ma-update?
Bye-bye. 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 Bye. Bye.